If you have been anywhere near the internet recently, you have probably heard the name ChatGPT. It sure is not the catchiest name, and it could easily be the name of a random computer component or a vague legal reference. But GPT-3 is the internet's best language processing AI model at this time. Is ChatGPT the future? So, what exactly is GPT-3, and how is it used to create ChatGPT? What can it do, and what exactly is an AI model? In this video, we'll go over everything you need to know about OpenAI's latest viral baby. Let's get started. OpenAI's ChatGPT is a chatbot built with the company's technology GPT-3. The software has brought the company back to the top of people's social media feeds after a few months of dominating the internet with its AI image generator DALL-E 2. And although its name sounds like it might be the name of some odd computer part or some vague legal reference, it is really the best language processing AI model on the internet, and it's coming for your job. What can it do for you? It's not easy to pin down exactly what GPT-3 can do given that it has 175 billion parameters. But as you may expect, the model is quite intelligent. In contrast to its sibling DALL-E 2, which can create visual and audio content, this AI only works with the written and spoken word. This gives it a great variety of skills, including the ability to write everything from poems about sentient toilets, science fiction movies, and cliché rom-com to explanations of quantum mechanics in layman's terms, cover letters, or even full-length research papers and articles. And while it can be fun to use OpenAI's years of research to get an AI to write horrible comedy scripts or answer weird questions, its true power lies in its speed and comprehension of complex issues. Where a normal human could spend hours studying, analyzing, and writing an average paper, ChatGPT can create a well-written alternative in seconds. With that said, let's go over some basic yet impressive tasks you can have ChatGPT do for you. It can be your assistant. It can assist you in staying organized by keeping track of your appointments, tasks, and other commitments. It will notify you when something is due and ensure that you never again miss an important event or deadline. And if you are bored and need to get something off your mind, you can play the tic-tac-toe game. That's not even the best part. It already has the code for the game written inside its chat environment, so it's just type and play. Create a job resume. Don't know how to create a resume? Well, just ask ChatGPT for help, and it will walk you through the steps to create a resume. If that is not impressive enough for you, then you should also know that ChatGPT can help you prepare for a job interview. It will give you a list of points to keep in mind before going for an interview. It can explain anything. ChatGPT is also very useful for learning new things. You can ask the AI chatbot to explain a topic to you, and it will do so. Basically, the next time you have a question, just ask ChatGPT to explain it to you. If you are trying to learn a complex topic, you can even ask it to explain concepts to you in simpler terms. Simply add explain like I am 5 to your query, and the chatbot will be more thorough. Create jokes. What is life without a bit of fun? ChatGPT can help you whether you are looking for a good laugh or want to make some hilarious jokes to impress your friends. Sure, AI chatbots are not exactly known for their comedic abilities, but ChatGPT shows promise. Solve maths problem. Have a difficult math problem that you cannot wrap your head around. Worry not, because ChatGPT will explain the problem along with its answer and all the steps. For the best results, you must present your problems clearly and concisely. When asked properly, it can solve some of the very complex problems for you. Get relationship advice. Have a relationship issue and need some sincere advice? ChatGPT has got your back, as it can give you advice relating to any relationship. As a translator. This one is not as practical as it is cool and clever. ChatGPT can be used to translate text from one language to another, and it works with a wide range of languages. However, you would probably use Google Translate or Apple Translate to do this anyway, so it's not the most useful feature. Write essays on any topic. Want to write an essay but cannot seem to gather the right words? Well, just ask ChatGPT, and it will not only give you bullet points to talk about, but can also write an entire essay for you. A chat companion. Sometimes we just need someone to talk to, and ChatGPT can be a great companion for that. Whether you want to vent your feelings or just talk to someone, you can ask ChatGPT, and it will always be there for you. Get creative ideas. Brain too clogged up to think of anything, or a bad writer's block? No worries, ChatGPT got you covered. Give it a try next time you get stuck. Simply ask it to generate ideas for the topic of your choice and your problem is solved. It can code for you. If you are having trouble figuring out how to write code for a specific problem, simply ask the AI chatbot to do it for you. What's more, you can tell it which programming language you want to use, and it will write the code for you. It can even write the whole code for your web application from scratch or translate your code into other languages. Summarize anything. Who has the time to read white papers, industry blogs, and user interviews? It can summarize those boring long paragraphs, so you just have to read a few lines. The way it works is that you copy and paste anything you want to be summarized and instruct ChatGPT to summarize it. It's that simple. In minutes, you have yourself a short version of your original text, which will still have all the important things in it. It can write the lyrics of your next song. ChatGPT's learned creativity is one of its greatest strengths. ChatGPT, unlike some AI solutions, does not only deal with soulless robotic concepts. It is also skilled in creative endeavors, such as music composition. You can write almost any song in any major music genre. In short, ChatGPT can be whatever you want it to be. It can be a friend, a mentor, a relationship guru, or even your coder. So if you want to try ChatGPT, just head over to OpenAI's website and start questioning. How much does it cost? It's still in beta version and free for the time being, but the company intends to charge a premium for its service. It is clear that they want to give a taste of AI and get addicted to it, and they are already succeeding. People are willing to pay for a product that can do these amazing things. ChatGPT is a very affordable tool for businesses and organizations that want to automate customer service, marketing, and sales. Prices can range from as little as $10 per month for basic packages to around $500 per month for more comprehensive packages, depending on the features and functionality you require. That's a wrap for this video. Do you think AI is going to make your life easier? Let us know in the comment section down below. Make sure to leave a like and share the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you next time.